Hello, this is Roman with Anime Mystics, and today I'm just doing a quick unboxing. I got two new packages. No anime figures this time. These are from Blizzard. Um, I ordered two items, and I figured, might as well. The last couple of unboxings I tried to do didn't exactly go right. As in something broke on both of the figures that I was trying to unbox, and like I don't know, it extended the video. It would have made the video at least an hour with me like fixing it and everything. And I know I could have probably just edited it all out, but whatever. I decided to just not do it. So these I don't plan on having anything happen to them. So hopefully nothing breaks or is broken. All right, they're both Overwatch related, in case you're wondering. Let's see, is this a weird way to package it? Anyway, first box, as you can see, it's got the gear.blizzard.com on it. Their little mascot on there. I guess that's their mascot. Oh, okay, I see how this is opened. Here we go. It's actually a pretty nice box. Alright, so you got a return label here. Excuse me. Packaged pretty good. Alright, so the first one I got is the Funko Pop Farah figure. Now, normally, I do not buy pop figures, mainly because I usually don't like, the paint job. Most of the time I see, like, some of the colors, like, bleeding into the other, like the face or something like that. There's a little bit on this one where the gray from the bottom part of her chin is like kind of bleeding into her face. But I'm a Farah main, even though I suck with her like pretty badly. My aim is horrible, but I had to get it. I mean, if I go on Amazon and try to find it, it's like $45, but on the Blizzard site, it's 10. So that was a no-brainer. Let me see, who else do they have on here? They have Tracer, Reaper, Widowmaker, Soldier 76, and a 6-inch Winston. I don't know. I might get them all. I really like Overwatch, so I would have no problem buying these. Yeah, this is only the second one I own. You all see the Deadpool one in the back, like in all of our videos, so that's the other one I have. All right, so the next thing I got is not a figure at all. I got a print. So it is signed by the artist, I believe. It actually took a while for this to get to me. I had ordered it about November 18th. And I had emailed them asking, I think like a week and 2 days later, saying, I ordered this print and it hasn't even been moved out of processing yet. So I was just kind of wondering what was going on. And the person who replied, the rep who replied, basically said that they were out at the moment because the artist, I guess, had been kind of slow with signing the prints. Which, whatever. I'm not gonna expect them to tie him to a chair or something with a pen in his hand and make him sign all these prints. If he gets time, he's gonna sign them. And then, like, I think it was yesterday, this was shipped out, got here. Today, it was shipped with overnight shipping, so. All right. So I am going to have to find a frame for this. I believe you pronounced the artist's name as John Polidora. It's got the certificate of authenticity right here. It is of the new hero that was released last month, Sombra. I am trying to main her as well. She's pretty awesome. As you're going to see, the certificate right there is number 276 out of 1,000. Oh, come on. There we go. John Polidora, 20 by 14. It is a really nice print. You definitely need to get a frame for this. It's got a border in here. Like this thing right here is, I guess, considered a frame. But I want to hang it on the wall. I just got to find a spot for it because it's pretty big. I might take down my Scott Pilgrim poster and put this up instead. Or I can move Al and Cloud over there, and Luffy. I could always put them somewhere else. They're small enough for me to move around. The poster, on the other hand, is pretty large, and I'd have to put it into like the closet or something, and I don't really have any space in there. So yeah, the print is really nice. Definitely worth the wait. The Farah is pretty cool. Again, Farah. A friend of mine had got one at a convention, I think when they were first released, because these are, I think they ran out at the time, and then they had to make more, and then I think they only sell them on the website now. Because it says exclusive Blizzard X Funko. Funko exclusive for Blizzard, basically. Why, I don't know why this is age 17 plus. Let's see. 17 plus. You must be 17 years or older to buy this. I don't know. Probably I don't see any really choking. Unless, I mean, I don't plan on taking it out of the case, out of the box, so there's no danger of anybody choking on it at all. And the Sombra print is definitely, I'm going to definitely have to find a frame for that. It's much nicer than the image you see online, because this is from the concept art. It looks a lot better in person than it does online, in my opinion. So, yeah. So that is pretty much it. I do have a couple of figures in pre-order that I still have to order, but with the holidays, it's really hard to find money to buy more stuff, seeing as how I still have a few items I need to buy for Christmas shopping. Not like too many. I only have a few people I need to buy for, but they're like kind of, Well, one of them is a little expensive. It's a game, and I got to get some stuff for my like grandparents and stuff like that. But other than that, probably have to wait till after the holidays before I can pick those up. Hopefully, they're still in stock. I don't think they are characters that people are going out of their way to buy. I have a Nendoroid of Galco-chan from the anime with the same name, and Rebecca from One Piece. And there should be a Morrigan from Darkstalkers coming in soon. I'm gonna have like 6 figures on hold by the time I actually get money to order them. Not only that, but I need a new case. My case is running out of space, which sucks because I'm running out of room. I'm gonna have to hold off on getting more figures. I really don't like keeping them outside of the case because they get a lot of dust, and I'm not really big on dusting, so it just kind of piles up on the figure. I'm gonna have to start getting better at that, though. So yeah, that's it for my open boxing this time. Maybe next time I'll have more. I'll try to hold off until I get a few things. Let's see. Well, speaking of Overwatch, if any of you play and want to join a game or something, I am totally up for that. I don't really get on all that often, mostly after work and after we're done filming, so I usually don't get on till around 10, 11 a.m. my time. It's California time. If any of you play, like I got it for the PC and the PlayStation 4, so I'll leave my gamer IDs in the description. If you want to add me, go right ahead. I'll be, definitely add you to play a few games if you want. But again, I kind of suck. I'm like, I think on the PS4 I'm at level 106, but my aim is horrible, especially with Pharah. I do use Diva as well. Let me see. I use Sombra, Pharah, Diva, Junkrat. Sometimes I use Reinhardt and Roadhog. I'm trying to get good with Mercy, and as much as I want to use one of the snipers, like Anna or Widowmaker or Hanzo, my aim is so bad that it would not be a good idea for me to even attempt to try to main one of them. So, yeah, if you want to add me to either the Battle.net on the PC or the PlayStation 4, then go right ahead. I'll like I said, I'll put it in the description. Just put it in, just leave a message saying, that from the saw my stuff on the channel, and you have to playing a few games or something. So yeah, until next time, bye.